Hey, it's Michelle Butt, and it's time for Fun Fact Friday. And this week, I'm answering a question I got earlier in the week. So earlier in the week, someone asked me, how does this work in the digital age? If you're telecommuting or if you're just chatting with people online, how do you use facial intelligence to help you build stronger connections and improve your communication when you're not seeing the person face to face? Well, the beauty of facial intelligence is that you can get a really good read of someone's personality and their potential habits and way to communicate with them from a picture. And very few people out there nowadays don't have a LinkedIn profile or a Facebook page or an Instagram account. So you can use Google as your friend to help you really see someone, and even from a picture, their features can tell you things like what kind of a decision maker they might be, and or what's important to them, or things like that. Much more that you would learn if you followed the work more, and some of the stuff I've talked about before, and if you were on a course, etc. However, if you don't see them and you are on the phone, then or telechatting, you can also use the work not only proactively, but also kind of like detective-like, and to gauge the conversation and then anticipate what kind of archetypal nature someone might have based on the way they breathe, based on the language that they use, based on the tone and cadence, based on how loud they might be, or the kind of flow of their voice. All of those things are attached to archetypal patterns that you would show up in the face. So if you listen for them, so for example, people who are warriors tend to talk in very clipped tones. So if you think of the way Barack Obama would talk in any of his speeches, today we are going to. And so if you hear someone on the other end of the phone talking like that, chances are they must have some strong warrior features. And I can't tell you how many times I have done this, and then when I finally saw someone face to face or saw a picture of them, that was, given some credence or proven by what their facial features said. So when you understand things like this, then you can also get a feel for who someone is based on the personality traits that they are exhibiting in the things you hear that fall in line with their facial archetype, and then allow you to continue to then build those connections from that facial intelligence perspective without even seeing their face. So the work is very, very robust. It does start here, but it really is about giving you as many tools as possible to build connections and strengthen your communications so that you get the results that you want, whether that is to sell something to someone, to build a relationship, to create a negotiation or get a commitment. All of those things start here because you need to build connections through communication in order to get the results that you want. So anyway, that is an expansion of the facial intelligence discussion we've been having this week over on the blog, etc. And I will see you next week for another Fun Fact Friday tip. Bye for now.